Is it time to give your bathroom a high-end makeover? Well, here are some game-changing features to help you achieve that. Wall-mounted sink faucets are stylish fixtures that save space and scream sophistication. Ramp sinks, because nothing says modern quite like these sleek beauties. They're not just sinks, they're statement pieces. Under-cabinet lights are the ultimate mood setter. Whether it's a relaxing bath or a midnight visit, this soft ambient lighting changes the game. And who needs curbs? Not your shower, that's for sure. It's sleek, seamless, and whispers, "I'm the future," whenever you walk in. Choosing between a linear drain or a square drain with a tile insert, either way, your shower game just got elevated. A built-in bench in the shower? Yes, please. Perfect for a steamy sit-down, and let's be honest, it makes shaving your legs a whole lot easier. And the toilets, tankless or wall-hung? They're not just toilets, but a declaration of style and space efficiency. Your bathroom doesn't have to just be functional. It could be a sanctuary of modern luxury. Ready to upgrade? Comment DREAM to get started. Follow at Alice T. Chan for more home renovation tips and inspiration.